it's Tressa, and welcome back to my channel! Come here. So if you couldn't tell by the title, I decided to do something kind of big and get BARKBOX. I have never gotten BARKBOX, I have never gotten BARKBOX before, but they were doing a special promotion. Oh, he's excited already. They were doing a special promotion where if you started, it was a $5 first box. So this is the $5 one. And then after that is $29 a month. Well, it's the one I picked out was $29. And that's kind of expensive. I mean, it's not, but like, I've never gotten something that expensive before. Like shipped monthly. Like I've never done like one of those like special FabFit whatever stuff. I haven't really done any of that, so this is pretty big for me. It's like my first actual little unhauling. Oh, that's cute. Anyway, I thought I would, once I get the box, I would film it for you guys, see what Max thinks of everything, and do a little review. Anyway, at first glance, it is small. My boyfriend's mom, she gets a BARKBOX, and it is not bigger than this, but I think she does do it for her 2 dogs, and she have huskies, so that might, oh my gosh, it opens right up. You don't even need to cut. Why did I get scissors? So it makes sense on why hers would be bigger. She has 2 big huskies. So let's get right into it. Yeah, you want to see what's in your BARKBOX? Yeah. Ooh, does it smell good? Is there something good in there for you? Yeah. Oh, he's trying to bite it. He just likes cardboard. Anyway, let's see. It looks like you can just open it. Okay, you can't just open it up. There's tape on the edges. That's cool. There's one side. If you're wondering what Max is doing right now, he's just playing with the bunny. Well, not playing with her. She's in the cage, obviously, but he's looking at her. Max, what's this? Ready? First glance, you can see before I do. What is it? Ooh. Let's see. Oh, there's like wrapping paper and it's like colorful. I told them, or like when you first apply, it has you fill out like a little thing. And I said that he was a small dog, puppy, a small puppy. So it says, watch a sunset, drink from mom's water glass. There's just a bunch of like cute little Polaroid photos, it looks like. Soak up the last rays of the dog days. Come here, Max, look it. Come here, look. And then, aw, there's a cute little cutout thing. Oh, your end of summer checklist. There's a little checklist we can do for dogs. And then it shows a bunch of their like other toys and stuff. It's really cute. Oh my gosh, it came with a lot. For $5. Okay, come here, Max. Yeah, I want this. Come here, wanna see? Wanna see? Oh my gosh. There's a couple, oh, these aren't stickers, darn it. Anyway, there's a couple different things. I don't even know what to start with. Start with this. Oh, it's got tags on it? See what I mean? The tags like look like they're stickers. I float. Use loop to hang after dry use. Supervised play only. Oh, so it's like for water. Oh, that's neat. Does it squeak? There's something on the inside. It must be what makes it float. Anyway, this cute little toy says brain freezer, and it's like a little slushy. Max, what's this? He's sniffing it. I gotta show you this. Come here. Oh, he likes it. Let me cut the tags off. Let me cut the tags off. Let me cut the tags off. He really likes it. Let me get the tags off. Let me get the tags. No. Do you like it? You like it. You like it. We'll see if he rips it up. Maybe he'll need like the BARKBOX where it's like tough chewer. Get it. Get it! Get it! Ah! Okay, so that's he ran away! Max, come here! Anyway, let's continue. There's a little how to BARKBOX. It's a little page. Oh, it like tells you what it comes with, and it's a bunch of cute pictures. When you open your BARKBOX, or when your dog rips it open with a devious glee, you'll always find at least 2 toys, 2 full bags of treats, all natural chew, and there's a new theme every box. Huh. That is cute. I'll have to read it in more detail later, but let's continue. Next, this must be the chew. Gnarly dude beef chew. Bark made in the USA. Beef recipe dog chew. What's all in it? I wonder if it's like all grain free. It's really cute. It's got like cute little writing on it. Love that. Max, come here. There's a couple other toys in here. This little, what the heck? That's a little dragonfly thing. Right? Is that a dragonfly or is it a mosquito? I think it's a mosquito. I can't tell. It's another one that floats. They're all like floating ones. Uncle Mo Skeets. Definitely a mosquito. Oh, there's a ball squeaker. No, wait, what is it? Floatable outdoor fun. Oh, it does squeak. Hardly get it. Oh, there's a couple different squeakers in it. Anyway, it's really cute. The tag's really cute. I like this one. It's got like all the bright, cute little cutesy fun colors. Oh my gosh, this is looking really good. I'm gonna cut the tags off. Guys, I think I just like bought the best thing on the entire planet. Now, only if it came with like dog food. Anyway, here, Max. What's this one? He's busy playing with the other one. He loves it so much. Oh, here comes, here comes. Oh, you like it? You like the mosquito? He's so, gonna play tug of war? Oh, yeah, you like that. You like that one. Right, mister, right, mister. Whoa. He ran away again. So next, let's see. Some kind of treats? I hope they're small. I can't really tell. Have a cow dog. Beef recipe dog treats with chickpeas and carrots. So they're all looking like they're beef stuff. Oh, it is grain free. It is grain free. Maybe the toy is grain free then, or the chew is grain free then too, because these are all, yeah. It's looking really, this is the cutest packaging I've ever seen in my life. Like, come on. Then, I think this is the last toy. It's a melted ice cream cone. It's really cute. It's got like the little crunchy material, and it's soft on the other side. It's got, oh, here it comes. I didn't take the tags off. I didn't take the tags off. I was just playing with the speaker. Let me take the tags off. This melted ice cream cone. Come here. No, I gotta take the tags off first, buddy. Sorry, gotta take the tags off. You gotta take the tags off. Come get it. Let me take the tags off. Okay. Gotta be fast, gotta be fast. Oh, you're faster than me. Oh, yeah. I had a crazy little pupperoonie. Let me get the tags off. Okay, there's one more piece of the tag. Got it. He loves the BARKBOX, don't you? And then, last but not least, there's another bag of little toys, or treats. These ones look like they're a little smaller. Quack Dat Chickies. It's a chicken recipe with cranberries and duck. Again, it's grain free. It's got those nice ingredients. This is the best. Oh, this is so like aesthetically pleasing. Oh, he smells this one. Does that smell good? You want to try it? Max, you want to try it? Want to try it? Here, Max. Here, I'll try to get this on video. Come here. Ready? Max. Oh, he's already sitting. I was going to tell you to sit. 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 Good boy. Is it yummy? Tell the audience. He took it away to chew it up. It must be yummy. He's eating it. Anyway, let me round up what we got, and I'll try to make it look cute-ish. Max, bring me all the toys. They're all in a row over here as he's enjoying his treat. So this is everything that was in it. Those 3 toys, the 2 bags of treats, and this extra little stick treat thing. And honestly, it's very cute, very pleasing to look at to the eye, and I'm happy. I subscribed for the 6-month period, so I think if you guys like this video, I'll try to do it monthly if you want, but I don't have very many viewers, so maybe not. But yeah, BARKBOX, he loves it. I'll let him try the other treats and the chew, and we'll see what he thinks. Right, Max? Should we see what you think? Do the viewers want to see what you think? Okay, so sit. Good boy. I'll give you one of these. The pink ones have a cow dog. That's what this one says. Let me open it. Sit. Sit. Yeah, no, sit. Actually, these ones look really cute. They're like this little stick log. Sit. There you go. Eat it in front of me now. You don't like it? He's chewing on it. He's just so tiny that this treat is huge. I think he likes it though. He's eating it. It's biting apart. Do you like that? Yeah, Maxie, you like that treat. I think this one gets an A+, just like the other ones did. The toys definitely get an A+ so far. I'll keep you updated. Maybe he'll break it. And then I want to see what this little stick looks like. Okay, he ate half of this. I'll set it aside for now. And I want you to see this. Let's test this out. Good thing I have scissors over here. I'm weak. Oh, it's like, what the heck? It literally, this is the funniest thing. It's really hard. It looks like it's supposed to be like a sausage stick, but it's not. Do you want a bite? Oh, he's sniffing it. Oh, is that yummy, yummy? How yummy is that? I think he really loves it. Do you really love it? I wonder if I can break it. Oh, there we go. Oh, it even looks like it's meat from the inside. I'll give him half of it now and the other half a different time. He's chewing on that. Oh, he's walking away. He is hiding that treat. Oh my goodness gracious. Anyway, that was BARKBOX. I think Max loves it. I really enjoy that. I won't have to go out and buy more every time I need them. They'll just come right to me. It's very convenient. He'll never get sick of his toys, and so far it's an A+ for me. So that's all I have for you guys in this video, but stay tuned, subscribe, check out my Instagram, and I will see you in the next one. Bye! So I'm editing the video right now, and ever since I gave him that chew, he is still chewing on it, and it's almost gone. He loves it. This has been his ultimate, all-time favorite chew he's ever had, and let me tell you, I've gotten him a few. He loves it. Right, Max? You love it. Another update. He already finished the half of that chew. It's gone. He finished it. What do you want now, huh, buddy? He's like, where's the other half? I know that was half, you jerk. Yeah, you want the other half. 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 I don't know. Get Uncle Mosquito!